Okay, good morning. So it's Saturday, and I've been up since my alarm clock went off at 6:10 or something, because I have a makeup appointment at 8 a.m., which hopefully I'll be on time. But I got a makeup appointment, which I'm going to my son's game at 12. I did not want to go. I never go to those type of activities with makeup on. So, and then to be full glam is like crazy, but whatever, cool. And it's a little cold outside, so, I got on my little fur chinchilla. But yeah, so this is the first part of my day. I'm going to try to vlog the whole day, so we'll see how that goes. And, okay, for starters, traffic is backed up all the way back here, like, F my life. What is going on? Why is traffic like this on a Saturday morning? Like, this is what I be talking about when I can be having a phenomenal morning, got my coffee and everything, but boom, like, this is setting me back, and oh my God. Lord, please let me make it to my appointment on time.
Restroom. The Rich Bitch Energy.
Okay.
Because, girls are like, your lips not done yet. To the book, man! To the book! Good work! Let's go! Defense, man! Let's go!